So hello guys, I'm show you my Bitcoin farm. This Asic miner 1 terahash second can work. You can see is already changing this cooling fan using more this laptop cooler table. Yeah, I'm using more this for make it some extra flow for the cooling. So you can see normally this lucky miner, both side is a plate. The temperature is going up to 60 Celsius. This one is both side open. No, is one side opened. I'm tested now. This one is a new fan inside. I can show you is a new, and I'm cooling more this board from the bottom with the laptop cooler. This one is this first, so this one is a lot better when is both side closed. More better if you are changing the fan. The fan using is less energy, giving more airflow, so is more can cool it, is noise less, so is more quiet, is more than half noise can make. And after you use this fan, the fan RPM is so the fan RPM is a lot lower. I'm just let you know. The 1 terahash minimum per second is coming then nicely, so that's fine. That anyone can do that, but after the cooling, you change the cooling, the fan you can see the black one. This one is a look white, is a bit white, so you can see this one is a new, that's the old. So I'm testing a lot. I have 18 pieces of this miner, so I can tell you which one is the best setup. So this one is not the best. Both side is closed, less airflow. I'm try cooling a bit outside with the airflow from the bottom for the legs coming up. Yeah, so that's not the best. This one is a normal one, just opening both side, cooling the side. You can see the black is a old, this a real normal coming this fan. So it is, and it is my favorite at the moment. This one, the temperature is 50 to 53 maximum. This is best. Take it on the side, but later, because that side is already opened, the airflow is coming, cool it, and later I'm fall down to this fan and make it cooling that side as well. I'm just testing now in this position. The airflow you can see is coming from the bottom and go in through in the heat sink. So is this heat sink go in there, exactly push the air to there. So the RPM is more lower with this fan, and when I turn it down, is a cooling is more better. But at the moment, this one is a best. So you just screw it using the plasterboard screw, turn it in with hand, not turn it, don't take the screw in the middle somewhere here, because it's bended this cooling thing, and it can come off from the chip. If it's come off from the chip, it's not cooling the chip. That's why is take it on the edge, same as here, just 2 pieces plasterboard screw in the edge. Make sure is not bending too much the cooling thing. Okay, I can show you now on my laptop what is my setup is different, and I can tell you which one is which. So the number one is is black, the old fan. For example, okay, this is number 7, but okay, number 5, this one is more easy for finding. So number 1 is old, number 5 is a new. So we are here, you can see my laptop. Number 1, we can go to the number 1 first. Is you can see on the bottom is a 27.6 watt, which is using, so is a lot energy. It's a nearly 30 watts. The temperature and the fan RPM you can see is a 58 and Celsius, and the RPM is 5400 at the moment. So it's using the lots of energy, the higher temperature and more RPM with the fan, the noisy fan, and if it's running more higher RPM is more noisy. So it's giving more noise. It's showing 54 Celsius, 25.6 watt using energy, and 3600 the fan RPM. This one is a new fan, and number 1 is an old fan, so you can see the difference. Is using less energy, a lot less energy, a lower temperature, lower RPM. The other one, yep, because it is an old fan, it is a new fan, is less energy, less temperature, less RPM, so is normally more quiet that fan, and if is a less RPM is more less energy and more less noise. We can try now my favorite, which I'm show you on the side, the fan. I take it on the side. You can see now the power which is using is less than 20 watts. The temperature is 52 at the moment and less than 3000 the fan RPM. You can decide what you want. I think it's better you are changing the fan for this better quality. I'm show you just a second, and I'm show you the fan which I'm using. You can see the 1 terahash. Here is that line, and the yellow line can showing roughly the terahash per second per hour. You can see it, this line it is up to that line, and I'm not changing yet this setup, the frequency, and I am not changing yet the voltage, the chip voltage. Maybe later I try it, because I'm showing on another one. For example, on this is many calculators. That on the settings you can see it on the settings. This 550 the frequency. I can show you, we can take it this higher, 575. So later I am testing that one as well, if I can make it more hash rate, because the cooling system is a lot better. And here is the voltage, the core voltage, 1 to 50. It's a normal factory setup, and 3000 is the highest. Maybe can giving the higher hash rate. So yeah, here we go. It is my setup, and watt is only 20 watt, which we are using at the moment. Another one using 27.5, so is a lot of energy you can save. If you save that, you can see on here is a joule per terahash, is a 23.29, is a normal standard, and this one only 19 joule per terahash. So you can decide what you can use. I'm showing you now the fan, that two fans which I have, the older one and the new one, what's the difference look like. So guys, here is the older one. This is the older one. Is using all 1-2 amps on 12 volt, and this fan is noisy, not giving that many airflow which we want. And here is the new one. This Noctus is a lot better. I take off the rubber from these corners, so I'm sorry it's not showing it. So this one using 0.05 amps, so 0.6 watt, which is using, the size is exactly same. The noise is less, is very less, is a more blade, so it's giving more airflow, using less energy with the black one. I can show you the Noctus, this one. So is this one is the decibel, the noise is 14.9, and this one, I tried this before, is 39 decibel when is running perfectly. So yeah, I think it's better you changing for this fan, take it on the sink, the cooling sink side, and after that less noise, more airflow, less temperature, so it's more longer life the miner. So yeah, thank you for watching, and have a nice day for anyone. Thank you guys, see you later.